Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Srivastava. I'm working as an Associate Director in Soft India Private Limited. It's an immense pleasure to share my IT experience of close to 21 years, which I've started as a software engineer. And I would like to share the challenges that I have faced as a woman in IT profession, majorly due to the mindsets or inhibitions, I would say, of people around me who used to think whether I can work late hours, long hours if the project needs. Can I travel more often if the business needs? Can I wear different professional caps without any hesitation? And these challenges have turned into an opportunity because I have taken these as an opportunity. And that is the biggest learning which is with me, and I would like to share. Seize any opportunity that comes your way, explore it to the fullest, evaluate it against what you love, what you like, nourish and make your support system very solid. Integrate well your professional life with the personal life. Seek the coaches, they help in excelling multifolds. Seek the sponsors who are ready to take the risks on our behalf, who actually shatters the glass ceiling around us. With this, I would like to say that the time has changed. It is rather changing. There are leaders in the organizations who are putting an effort towards diversity, inclusiveness, and especially for the aspiring women's in on the leadership program. One of the example I can say, which I have witnessed in my organization, Birlasoft leaders have put an effort for us, and it was almost a 1 year program, which coincidentally the graduation ceremony has happened this month only, which is Be Empowerment Program. It has actually empowered us, and my whole batch has witnessed it. Major learning which I had it from there, which has helped me to move from the operations business as usual to the strategic thinking and strategic planning, getting more sponsors, getting more coaches, getting the blend of professional career with the uh, satisfactory personal life. So, with this note, I would say there is definitely a change in the air. Seek the opportunity, hold it tight, evaluate it, and live it. All the best with this.